2-1, go.
Do it.
Ow, behind us.
Behind us, behind us, behind us.
Did you just?
What? Just
I was so busy.
Austin.
I
Austin,
don't know how
you are
this game-
literally the death of me.
Dude, I hope you clipped that. I want to see that footage.
That was the worst kill cam I've ever seen.
Did it do the whole? Did it do the whole like tracking of the rocket flying over?
Yep.
Yes. Please record it.
I'm gonna soft mission to the wine cellar, guys.
Oh! I just saw that. That was just straight up murder.
Rem is best girl. That's probably why he killed him.
That was just straight up murder.
Calling. 3, 2, 1. Calling.
Don't screen me, Jeff.
Right. What the fuck? Why's my phone being called? Wow. Man, what are the chances fucking Zeo calls me to remind me about tomorrow? Right as I deploy a logic bomb.
Real life logic bomb, man. Real life logic bomb. See, this is.
One more?
Got you.
Nice. When Dokebi decided to
Wow.
her phone, there was an Ash right in the top window there, like looking at me for the longest time.
What? Oh, my screen was bugged. You were just carrying the nitro on mine.
Oh my God.
For me, you
So-
just killed him with your mind by holding up.
so-
Hey, Brian, he's a character.